Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog on our lives. And today is February 28th. Ode's birthday.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So right now we're here at what is this? Tukwila International Boulevard Station because we're riding a train, the light trail going to downtown Seattle because it's traffic and I don't want to spend like 15 bucks on parking spot over there, and then because I'm heating coil.
I'm excited because you didn't tell me where we're going and I don't know what to expect. So today is very sunny. You know why? It's my birthday.
I know,
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So it's shiny. The sun is brightly shining.
Yeah, so it is sunny day today, which is super good. But if you go outside, I mean like still cold, but as long as there is sun,
Alright, let's go.
we're all good.
I love you for reasons I hope you do.
We are here now at downtown Seattle. It's cold as hell.
Yeah, but at least the sun is out.
I know, so not bad. And in front of me is one of the famous landmark here, that guy right there. I forgot what his name is called, like labor something? The labor man?
The laborer.
The laborer. No, it's a sign about like labor, Seattle settlers or something like that. So we're heading to the marina where the thing is, the Parish wheel. Parish. Try look that sun. Amount of sun, yeah. What can you say, bro?
Cold.
Not really. So we'll see you in a bit. Such a fail.
It's okay. Things happen for a reason, right?
Yeah, we're supposed to go to the Wings of Washington. Wings over Washington because that is a new tourist attraction or something, but the problem is they close for something like renovation, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. Kind of like bombarded right now.
Crab pot. I think this is the one my coworkers are talking about. Anyways, we'll see where our feet will take us.
I know. We'll probably go for Argosy cruise because since we're here at waterfront, and the weather is not that bad. I mean, like there's sun, the swell is not swell. I mean, like the water is calm over here. So yeah, walking. This is the Seattle stroll.
I'm only one step ahead of one step ahead of me.
Alternative plan fail. So we figured we're gonna go to take the Argosy cruise. So it takes you around Lake Washington, the harbor, and whatsoever. We got there, fully booked. Not my day.
I know.
It's alright.
Such a malas day today.
Don't say that.
Maybe it happens for a reason, right? We're just like walking on the post alley.
We're still walking up to this time.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, like it's just a
Oh
walk.
my god, my hair is a hot mess.
It's like flying all over, right?
I know, right? Sorry.
So yeah, we're just like kind of, wow, this is cute. Try look this stuff. Ooh, that's cool. It's in Post Alley Spring Corner. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's a nice weather. It's a good exercise though. So as you can see, it's kind of like hill to drive here in Seattle. There's a hilly part. So this is the first Ave. Right there is the, I don't know, I forgot already. It's a hilly hike. I have to push my wife just to walk. So that's the hill over there. What the hell? Push it again. Pushing my wife. Try look that. Push, push, push mo yan, te. Push, push, push yan. Oh my God. Gikapoy na ko. It is a good exercise though. We made it. Spasinado.
I love you. I meant for me.
Alright, so we're here at the Space Needle observation deck. You can see the downtown Seattle. Woohoo!
Yeah. I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. Forgive me for my disrespect, forgive me for my lies.
We're at Sky City eating dinner to celebrate my birthday. Sky City is located on top of the Space Needle. This is a 360-degree revolving restaurant, and so far so good. It's great being here. I dream about this day ever since we first stepped foot here in Seattle. I told myself I would like to experience eating in that restaurant. So now I'm here, and it's been an awesome experience. I just got done eating my main entree and I'm full. I had Alaskan salmon and I had it well done. It comes with potatoes and some steamed veggies. It's really good. So now I'm just waiting for my dessert. I don't know, what did you get? Oh, Ian got the steak. Really nice. Like you can see the entire city just by sitting down, and you don't have to move around. Really nice.
Alright, so we've been here for I think 2 hours already, but I don't want to go. I just want to like stay here and like look the scenery, or not the scenery, the skyline, the city view of Seattle.
By the way, it takes 47 minutes for a complete round. 47 minutes. I think we're here 2 rounds already.
That is the Seattle waterfront. Right there is a ferry from different islands, then going to Seattle. Those are like the container terminal Right here is the cruise terminal. Right, somewhere in the ferry, I mean the Ferris wheel is the Argosy cruise, the small boats. This is my view, or our view. Any final thoughts before the battery die?
You need to book another reservation. Oh wow, it's so
Magnificent
bright.
view. Oh, they colored it white, right?
Oh yeah.
Nice, right? So beautiful. Ooh. Monorail!